So what we're doing on this particular video, um, we coded a call option chart, and so I did this on Collab. It's like Google's little editor, um, and so how we started it, we just imported NumPy, I think that's how you say it, and then we imported Matplotlib. Then we did the variables on strike price equals 50, premium equals 5, stock prices equals the NP of range, which is a range of stocks, by the way. We did the payoff calculation, and then we plotted the call option. And plot figure 85. And this is what you get, you see? Call option payoff chart. You can see the title is call option payoff chart right there. And you got your label, profit, loss. It's on the Y label. And so that's over here on the Y. I did put some on the X. So that would be here, stock price. And when you're doing a call, right, you're basically betting that it's going to go up, right? So it's the person that's buying the stock, it's betting that it's going to go up. And the person that's selling the call option, they're taking the premium. And so that's how it looks on the chart. Where's this strike price? Yeah, right there. And that is how you do a call option payoff chart. Alright, that was quick. Just wanted to go over that quick little analysis. So yeah. Alright, on to the next video.